Hey everyone, ready to kickstart your journey into Python lists? Well, you're in the right place. Today I'm breaking down lists in Python, focusing on their introduction, the types of indexing you can use, and some cool inbuilt functions you'll want to master. Let's start with the basics. So what exactly is a list in Python? Think of a list like a big magical container that can store a bunch of things. Numbers, words, even other lists. You create a list just by putting items inside square brackets like this: 10, 20, 30. 10, 20, 30. Simple, right? Now, let's talk about indexing. So if I have a list called my_books = math, science, history. So if I have a list called my_books = math, science, history. Math, science, history. My_books 0 gives me math. That's called positive indexing. But wait, there's more. What if you want to count from the end? Python lets you use negative numbers for that. So, my_books -1 gives you history. Negative indexing is super handy when you don't want to count all the way from the start. Alright, now for the fun part. Python's built-in list functions. These are like shortcuts that make your life easier. Here are a few you'll use all the time. First up, append. This one lets you add new items to the end of your list. For example, my books append English will pop English onto the end. Next, insert. Want to squeeze something into a specific spot? Quote, my_books.insert 1 geography puts geography right after math. Then there's remove. If you need to toss something out, just say my books remove science, and it vanishes. Don't forget about pop. It removes the last item or any item you choose just by index. And if you want to see how many items are in your list, use len. Type len, my books, and Python tells you the number. Lists are powerful because they're flexible and super easy to use. You can even mix different types of data in one list: numbers, strings, or even other lists. Alright, let's recap. Python lists help you organize data. You can use positive or negative indexing to get what you need. And with inbuilt functions like append, insert, remove, and len, you can manage your lists like a pro. Give these a try in your Python code and you'll see just how awesome lists can be. Thanks for hanging out with me. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy Python lessons. See you in the next one.